In this video today, I'll practically show you step-by-step process on how you can buy coins in bulk and become a coin reseller on Poppo. This video is for you if you are looking for a side hustle, an extra stream of income. This video is for you if you are on Poppo and you aspire to become an agent. And this video is for you if you are already an agent but you don't know how to buy coins in bulk and resell. I have seen someone, a friend of mine, on this same Poppo. She was under my agency. Today she sells from $100 to $200 worth of coins in a day, and meaning she said the minimum she make in $100 worth of coins is $6,000 naira. Sometimes she make up to 8,000 naira. Imagine making 16,000 naira selling coins only. So even if you are a total beginner, you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry. Poppo is a live streaming platform that rewards its users with amazing incentive and benefit. I have made videos sharing with you 13 different ways you can make money on Poppo, and I have made videos, over 40 videos, talking about the app, how you can make money, how to do so many things. So just be patient. In the comment section of this video and in the description, I will drop a link to sign up if you are totally new. But for those that are here to learn how to sell coins, you are welcome. But first of all, for the record, for you to become a coin seller, you need to become an agent. And I see some people in level 1, level 2, wanting to quit agency to become their own agent. And I wonder what you are going to teach those people that you want them to join your agency. So please, even after watching this video, you want to become an agent, go and level up, go and increase your wealth level and grow to some certain level, because doing so will make you experience a lot, so that by the time some hosts come to join your agency, you will be able to at least teach them 1 or 2 things, so that it can make your agency to be strong. So once you have grown, for those that are already on Poppo or about to join the Poppo, once you have grown to some certain level of experience and wealth level, you can apply to quit agency. So but before you apply to quit agency, please DM, private chat, send message to your agent. Okay, some people will just apply to quit agency and you will get rejected. Especially me, if I see that you're in level 1 or 2, I reject the agency application, because I see no reason why you are in level 2 and you want to become an agent. Yes, I am telling you this today. Okay, so once you have grown and you have become an agent and you want to start reselling, buying in bulk, the next thing is you need to be buying in USDT. Okay, and that can be done via Binance app. You need to download and verify a Binance app. So for those that don't know about cryptocurrency, please, you need to learn cryptocurrency. So you need to have a Binance account, because the next practical aspect that we are going into is for those that are familiar with buying and selling USDT cryptocurrency. So as we go into the practical aspect, if you have questions, ask. And again, please, before we go into the practical aspect, for those that don't know how to, if you are interested in me teaching you about Binance, how to sign up and verify your account so that you can be buying and selling, please comment Binance in the comment section. Just comment Binance so that I will see the number of people that are interested and I will create a practical video for you. I have already spent so much time, but I believe you are picking 1 or 2 things. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. And if you watch the video to the end, there are other bonuses that you are going to get. You're welcome to this video tutorial where I'm going to show you how to buy coins on Poppo, so that you can either resell it or use it for yourself. So right here, I'm going to access my Poppo, and then I'll come down to coin trading. So when I click on coins trading, it's going to come up here, and I will now click on top up. So when I tap on top up, all right, just wait a second, then I will click on USDT. So when I click on USDT, you are going to see this wallet number, so you copy it, and then you now click on copy. So once I have done that, I'm going to minimize and go to my Binance. So when I come to my Binance, I will use USDT. So I will click on my wallet and click on USDT. Then I will click on withdraw, right? So because I want to withdraw to Poppo. So when I click on it, I'm going to paste the wallet number I copied from Poppo. Then this network is very important. If I click right here, so let me come back so that you know, understand what I mean. So if you come here, you will see that it's showing TRC20. So anything crypto, it will also always show you the network. So we click on the network right here and scroll down to TRC20. So I'll click on it so that it will be highlighted, and then I'll click on confirm. That means I'm sending it to TRC20. So here is the amount. I'm going to tap the amount I want to buy. No, I want to buy for $200. So I will just tap 200. So right here, I'll click on withdraw. Right, when I click on withdraw, it's going to show me, it will ask me to confirm. I'll confirm. So when I click on confirm, it will ask me the warning. I'll click on I accept, then I will click on confirm again. So once I have confirmed it like this, it will ask me based on the security. Remember, I asked you, so me, I'm using both my email and phone number. So I'm going to like click on it. So the OTP that will be sent to my phone number, I'll just type it here, and then the other one to my email. So let me just minimize and go to my email. So when I click on my email, I'm going to see, okay, let me refresh it. I'm going to see withdrawal request. So I'm going to copy this OTP. I will click on copy, highlight it and copy it, and then I'll come back to my Binance so that I'm going to paste that particular OTP. So I will click on submit. I'll ensure I finish it before the seconds, the time that is reading. So withdrawal successful. So in less than a minute, I will just come back to my Poppo. I will see credit immediately. I'll click on credit immediately, and you can see it has said credited. So I can click to go out. Then if you click that up at the top right hand side, Abby, yes, when you click on it, you are going to see all the transactions that you have been doing. So see the top up now. That means they have given me 1,970,100 coins for 200 USD. Okay, so that is that on how to buy. Alright, so as you can see, the practical aspect of this video that we just watched is one out of 14 videos that I've made about cryptocurrency. If you want to learn in detail about cryptocurrency, how to buy, how to sell, how to trade cryptocurrency, how to retail on Poppo, and so many other burning questions about cryptocurrency, I actually did a course. So to access that course is 20,000 naira, but I decided to give 50% discount. So for those that are interested to go deeper in cryptocurrency, you can purchase that course in the description of this video. You can DM me both on my Instagram. Just scroll down in the description, you'll see link to my Instagram, you'll see link to chat me up on WhatsApp so that you can enroll on the course. You can join at any time. But for those that are not interested in that, you are still okay, you are welcome. Just ask about the Binance and I will teach you. It's just that when you are searching on the YouTube, you might not get things organized, but on that course you'll be able to know what to do, at what stage you should do what, and all that. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.